Caching simplified. Boost performance, save time, scale effortlessly. Let's be real. Nobody likes waiting for slow apps or websites. In today's world, speed is everything. So, how do you make your systems blazing fast without breaking the bank? The answer lies in one powerful word: caching. Welcome to Hustler Coder, where we're unlocking the secrets of system design. In this video, I'll show you why caching is a game changer, how it works, and where you should use it. And trust me, once you master caching, you'll never design systems the same way again. At its core, caching is all about storing frequently accessed data in a faster storage layer like memory to reduce latency and improve response times. Think of it as a high-speed shortcut between your application and your database. Now, where do we use caching? Pretty much everywhere. Let me give you a few examples. Websites cache static assets like images, CSS, and JavaScript to reduce load times. Databases cache query results to avoid repetitive computations. APIs use caching to minimize expensive third-party calls. E-commerce cache product pages for high traffic campaigns. Without caching, your system is like a busy highway with no shortcuts. It works, but it's painfully slow. So, why is caching essential? Here are the key benefits. Speed dramatically reduces response times, creating a seamless user experience. Scalability handles higher traffic loads by reducing the burden on backend systems. Cost savings cuts down on expensive database or API calls. And reliability acts as a fallback during server failures, ensuring continuity. But here's the catch. Caching isn't magic. You need to get it right to avoid pitfalls like stale data or overusing memory. Here's a pro tip. Use strategies like cache invalidation when to refresh data and cache warming, preloading important data. These tricks ensure your cache always delivers fresh, reliable results. Remember, caching is like caffeine. It boosts performance, but you need just the right dose to avoid a crash. To recap, caching speeds up systems and enhances scalability. Use it for databases, APIs, and static assets. Balance your cache strategy to ensure accuracy and efficiency. Want to dive deeper? In the next video, we'll explore cache invalidation strategies, because knowing when and how to refresh your cache is critical for system success. If this helped you see the power of caching, imagine what's coming next. Hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and join me tomorrow for cache invalidation, the hardest problem in system design. Because every millisecond matters, and with caching, you can design systems that fly. Let's hustle together and master system design. Subscribe to Hustler Coder 90 Days to System Design Mastery, new video every day at 9 a.m.